What's up geeks and welcome back to Geeky Fight, and in today's video we are gonna tackle one of the most annoying storage issue, and that is full trash bin on your Android phone. Unlike Windows, Android phone doesn't have any recycle bin in which your deleted file gets stored, but there are few apps which might have those junk files stored, and because of which you are losing storage on your Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's free up that storage. So for many Android phones, Files by Google is one-stop shop for managing all your files on your Android phone. So let's open that app. Now tap on that three-dot button, aka hamburger menu. Now select trash and you will see many of the files which you deleted in the past. Select them accordingly and voila, delete them. Similarly, you can do this with all the files at once. All you have to do is just tick all items and delete them. Another app which might have junk files stored in its trash can is of course Google Photos app. Open the Google Photos app, go to library section, select bin, and you will be greeted with all the deleted videos and photos. You can select them accordingly and delete them as well. And that's how you get your precious storage back on your Android phone. But there is one more app which is of course by Google again, and it is similar in the function of Google Photos, but it saves data locally, and that is Gallery by Google. Open the Gallery app, tap on three-dot button, select bin, and again you will be greeted with the files you have deleted in the past. You can select them and delete them permanently, or you can simply tap on empty and it will delete all the files from the bin. So similarly, if you use cloud storage like Mega, OneDrive, G Drive or Dropbox, you can go into that particular app and go into its bin section and delete all the junk files stored in it, as it will also give you your precious storage back. And lastly, there is one more way you can access the junk files, and that is by going into the settings, selecting storage and tapping on bin. It will list out all the deleted files on your phone, and you can also delete them very easily. But apps like Google Photos, Google Gallery and Google Files has a function that it automatically cleans up their bin in 30 days interval, so you don't have to clean them manually. But if you're worried about your precious valuable storage, you can do all those steps which I've just told you, and you can also tell me which particular app has the most amount of junk files stored on your Android phone in the comment section. And if you like this video and if I have helped you, then make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any amazing content like this. And on this note, this is me Sameer signing off, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye.